Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing a winter love makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe. So I'm starting off with some Scotch tape just to make sure that my outer V on my eyes are precise. I'm starting off with this shade inside of the Modern Renaissance palette as a transition shade. And I'm taking this really pretty burgundy pink color and just distributing that inside of my crease. Then this really pretty orange, I just wanted to blend out the harsh lines. So you'll see me blend that out. And I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette, using this really pretty purple shades. All the names of the shades will be in the description box below. I am distributing this inside of the crease of my eyes. And taking this really pretty dark blue grayish color just to deepen up the crease. I wanted to do this really pretty cut crease look, so I'm taking this concealer by Makeup Revolution, and this is in the color C3, and I am creating a crease for my cut crease. Of course, I'm using my favorite to set that crease or concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. And I'm taking the the Zulu palette from Juvia's place. And I'm using this really pretty pink shade. I sprayed it with a setting spray, which is the Badescu Cucumber and Green Tea spray, and I'm using this to make the eyeshadows pop and more intense. And I'm just placing this in the middle of my lid. I want to take this really pretty purple shade. You guys, it's bomb.com. What else I tell you? It is so bomb. So I placed this on the outer V of my eyes. This really pretty purple. And I blended it out with the pink. The key to getting really pretty shadows is to just keep blending. It might look crazy at first, but if you keep blending, it'll be fine. So of course, you guys, I use the same lashes. I love these lashes. They're the Ardell Demi Whispy lashes, and they look so pretty. So I did go ahead and put those on off camera. And of course, I am using this new, well, it's not new anymore, but it came out a couple months ago. But I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Macao. I think that's how you say it. It's bomb, you guys. You have to try this foundation. It's so pretty. It looks so natural. And I wanted to use the Airspun Loose Face Powder, the translucent extra coverage. So I used this one to set my face. And finished it up to add the color back. I used again the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the color 360 Mocha. And I used the Laura Geller Baked Highlight in Portofino. I use this for my highlights. Oh my gosh, you guys, I use this really pretty berry shade. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in the color 55 Berry. And this made the look so pretty. It's bomb. Oh my gosh, you guys, and this lip shade that I'm using is so pretty, you guys. Wow. I use the Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick in the color WSM. You guys, this color is so pretty. It's really pretty matte liquid lipstick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up this video, comment down below, and of course subscribe and click the bell next to my name. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.